Yeah. Engine new. Okay. Yeah. Date binding
hyphen sir.
to ಸ್ವಲ್ಪ ತೆಗಿರಿ. hyphen hyphen.
Hyphen. You have
Yes.
to give before n.
Yes. So hyphen hyphen no hyphen standalone. Right?
Typo sir. Typo.
Type of mistake is there. Binding. What is it?
Standalone.
Standalone.
Huh?
Standalone. STAN.
The N is missing. Is it requiring the complete? New. Okay. We have given hyphen hyphen standalone. No hyphen standalone is okay. Or else no hyphen standalone.
I just give ng in data binding too.
Yeah, first we are giving this one. That's yeah, now it is CSS file. So N is not taking the shortcut, right?
For
Yeah.
me, it has taken ng in data binding.
So then file name you have project name given first, right?
No, sir. Just ng space n space data binding.
So then you're not getting that file. That is the main problem, right?
It's installing packages.
Packages it is module file will
Yeah.
not display.
Okay. Let me check.
G new data binding to hyphen 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 standalone. So N is not working with this. I changed that order project name and no standalone to check whether N supports or not. So here no hyphen standalone is
No.
supporting. Okay. So hyphen hyphen no hyphen stand data binding. These files are created. Open Visual Studio Code. File open folder. Part-2. The last one. Yes. Now here, go to this class. Data binding 2. No. App component.html. Let's remove this. Next one, app component.tsp. There, serial number colon. Remove this variable. There, just they created that variable normal. So no need to use that. Now in heading tag, serial number. Yes. And these are hyphen 4. Yes. So this is clear, right? Two-way data binding also, you know that. Yes or no? Hmm?
Yes, sir.
Now my requirement is I'm taking two images. Assets folder, all.jpg, orange.jpg. Now here, and the source is equal to dot slash asset slash on dot jpg, and width is equal to 200 pixels. I am using height is equal to 200 pixels. Display the output. So height 150. This is the image which we have.
Yeah.
What this image? Hold on. JPG. Okay. One more image we got. Okay. Few more images I want to take. Yes. This is assets smile dot png and orange dot jpg. Orange is coming available. Yeah. bg dot jpg. Banana dot. Where it is moved. So in other location it is. 1 second. So do one thing better. Right click, reveal in File Explorer. It is opened like this. Now in our project SRC assets.
Yes, it's yeah.
Now here
You can copy paste.
yeah. In this location, just drag and drop.
Okay.
It is moving completely from there to here. Yes. So control drag. Then copy is done. This is the fourth image. And busy is there. That one also. Okay, busy somewhere it is there. I'm unable to see now.
Close JPG.
Hmm?
Close JPG is there.
Like that. Okay. Now close these files. So here in new line, input type is equal to button, value is equal to previous. So this is next. I have taken two buttons. Yes. One is previous, another one is next. Now, if I click on the next button, I want to display the next image. Previous button, I want to display the previous image. That is the concept of this. Yes. Then how can I work with that concept? Huh? Disha. Sofa Bharatnagar. Bharatnagar sofa.
Button click.
You have to write one function.
Uh-huh.
And then we use button click button.
Now here we are using what? Button clicker. Click is equal to.
No, first we need to write the function to
Huh?
get back to the we need to write one function to go back to the previous image. And then we need to put the click.
Click is equal to FVN here. Yes.
Declare the functions in .ts fun preview.
Now here
Yeah,
FVN
fun previous.
and FVN. So here let previous exit. Let next exit. Like that. Is it clear? For the
It
next,
just display the alert message only now. If you
huh?
go to website, it just display the alert message only.
That's why you tell me the logic. Just display the alert message, right? You tell me the logic. What should I write?
HTML we can write on click function.
Mhm.
On
In
click is
HTML.
not there, it's only click. You already wrote the click.
Store the images in the
Array.
mm,
I'm taking one array. There, smile dot. Yeah, what is that? Smile dot png. Okay. For the current image, all dot jpg it displays all dot jpg. Smile dot png. Okay. Next one. Hmm?
banana dot.
Banana.jpg.
Range dot. Next one. Banana dot jpg. Next one. bg dot jpg. Yes. Fine. Yeah. Then what the next step? Here I am taking one variable. I colon number is equal to 0. In this Next function I'm using I plus plus. So this dot I plus plus and alert is dot I. So now if I click on the next button, what is the I? 1. Next button 2. Next button, next button. S. We are getting that. Now I am using alert. This dot ARR of this dot. Then first time I value 0. 0 is increment to 1. If I click smile.pl. Again click orange.jpg. Again click banana.jpg. Yes. Then what the next step? What the next step?
You have to pass this value to the image location.
Huh?
IMG source. We need IMG source.
One variable. IMG SRC colon string is equal to empty argument. This dot IMG now this variable we are binding as SRC property. So here in this SRC just we are using instead of this IMG. But what is the initial value of IMG SRC? Nothing is there. That's why it won't display anything in the browser. When I click on the next image is coming. Next. Yes, but initial value we should provide all dot. Now it displays all dot JPG. Next. Okay. And back. What is the back? What is the operation? Same, but
I minus.
next. Previous. How much simplicity is? What? Like this, it is working. No. Okay.
So when you click on the last image, it will come to again round robin.
Huh?
So if it is reaches to bg.jpg, it will come again to all.jpg. Next.
I'm not understanding your point.
So after reaching the next
That you tell me. So previous, if I click, what is the I value? -1. Okay. So this operation we should do when if I is greater than 0. Okay. So this dot I is greater than 0. So this is class component. This dot I is greater than 0. Then only I minus. Now we can see this. So no result is. Yes, like that. So you want to display any message, then Keep these two lines here. Else let no previous elements. Okay. Yes. Like that we have this. Illam. Now if you observe this, no previous elements. When you click next, then I value becomes 1. Again, if I click on previous, then this condition is true. Okay. Now previous will getting black. Next. Again next, what is happening? Yeah.
No image.
Here plus when we are using if, so this dot I is
I
less than this dot
array length.
AR dot length or length minus 1. Length minus 1, I think. Okay. So we will see. Let no more images. 2, 3, her, 6, yeah. Length minus 1 I have given. Yes. Previous. Like that we have this. Clear? The sun. Correct.
Yes.
Yeah. Now, see, new line. I want to take input type is equal to a radio. Okay. Yes. And value is equal to M. Text is male.
Type of value.
Value.
Copy this in new line, paste. So this is female. Value is equal to F I am using. So now both radio buttons are individual controls. User can choose two. Okay. Now I want to allow only one selection. Then
Name.
provide name for this. Name is equal to something like Jen I have given. Here also name is equal to Jen. So common name we are providing. Now if I click on male, female, male, like that. Yes. Now what is the radio button? So we selected that value I want to display here. Which radio button we selected? That value I want to display side of this. Then how? Huh? Simple. Take one variable. So gender colon string is equal to empty I have given. This gender I want to print. Now gender is nothing. So that's why not displaying anything. Here ng model is equal what that? Gender. Here also ng model. Okay. See, if you type ng, automatically this coming here. Okay. General app. ng model is available where app dot. So inside this forms module, import forms module. Okay. Use this forms module. Now, yeah, refresh it once. One second. You display gender only. Value is equal M, value is equal F. Yes. So let me initialize gender with one value. Male is highlighted and what it displays, MB displays here. If I click on female, F is done. Yes. In case if I use F here, then female is highlighted, and if I select male, M is come. So this is the way how to pick the radio button value. Is this clear? How to pick up the radio button value. So got it? Any doubt?
Yes. No, sir.
Yeah. Checkbox value. New line. Import type is equal to checkbox. Value is yes. So I accept terms and conditions. Actually, this variable better to display in this location. We can see displays. I accept the terms and conditions. When I click on this, then I want to receive that data. How can I receive? Hmm? Yes. One variable I'm taking. So chk colon any. Now bind that ng model is equal to chk and print that chk. Yes. Now if I click on this, true. Otherwise false. True, false. Yes. Now here in this function, we want to call one function here. Okay. So now here function fn register something. In this function, so let this dot chk. So this function I want to call with the button. Input type is equal to button, value is equal to register, And when I click on this one, calling that function. Harshu. Mommy. Yes. Now here, if I click on this, undefined we are getting because that variable doesn't have any value. Select and click here, true. And uncheck, click here, false. Means what is the that is binding through these controls. So that directly we are able to access from the TypeScript. Okay. Directly we can access it from TypeScript. So that is the main concept of this. Okay. Because both the TypeScript and these controls comes under one component. So here we can write the condition if terms conditions not selected, so then don't register, otherwise register. These type of conditions we can write here. Yes. Yeah. Any questions? Yes. So we bind it with the text box, we bind it with the radio button, we bind it with checkbox. That to two-way data binding means those control values how to receive. Okay. Yes. Now the next thing is drop down list dialog box I want to use. How can I display the drop down list dialog box? Select. Already we discussed this.
Select an option.
Yes. Option. Sorry. Okay. Chennai. Second option. Hyderabad. Third option. Mumbai. Fourth option. Okay. Kadapa. And given line. New line. I want to display the only then. Now, if user selected any option that I want to print side here. Side of this drop down I want to print. If user selected any option, I want to print it side of the drop down. How can I? How can I display that? Tell me fast. Huh? Come on. How can I? Nothing is there. Same. Now, DRP city colon string. Now, ng model is equal to ng hyphen model is equal to DRP city. Now print that DRP city. Now you can see Hyderabad, Mumbai, Chennai, like that. Yes, but initially why it displays empty? That is the main question.
The string is empty.
Not binded anything, sir. DRPCT.
Binded DRP city. The
But
DRP
what is
city Huh?
Value not binded.
Not
Value.
binded anything.
Yeah, and
For example, if I use Mumbai, yes. Now Mumbai is highlighted. Yes, after that, Hyderabad everything. If I use Kadapa, that is highlighted. Is it clear? Yes. For example, if I use Amirpet, what happens in this drop down now? Will it add new item with Amirpet? The drop down.
No,
no.
Then what the
no.
result? Then what is the result?
Amirpet only.
So again, it won't select anything because that matching item is not available in this drop down. Yes, only these 4 items we have. Amirpet is not matched with any item. And after that, you can change. Got it? So anyhow, here, Mumbai. Yes. Now, I want to display text is equal to type is equal to text ಹಾಕಿವೆ. Okay. And input type is equal button value is equal to add. The text box and this is add button. Now if I enter here something like Vizag and click on add. So this Vizag I want to add in this drop down. Then how can I? Okay, right now for that one more concept is required to you. Then only can discuss about this. Okay. So right now I'm not using because for also required ng for, but ng for not yet discussed, right? Yeah, that is the reason.
Yes, sir.
Yeah. Anyhow,
Sir,
these are the findings. Yeah, tell me.
can you pass some value? Yesterday you told
Huh?
passing value to the function.
Means I am not getting your point.
So if the text box user entered 10 and another text box 20, if you want to add,
Huh?
if you want to pass the variable from HTML, sir, can you open some HTML page?
Select. This is HTML page.
So in the function, if you want to pass,
Okay, you want to pass.
Ah,
So here
if-
FN register is there. 100 comma 200 I am passing. And this component x comma y. So x colon number y colon number. In normal way, select x, select y. Now click on this 100, 200, you are getting here.
the text box value, sir, user entered text box value.
User entry text box value.
Hmm.
You want to pass into this variable.
Hmm.
This then take one text box. Input type is equal to text. Okay. ng hyphen model is equal to txt1. Then here txt1. That's Now declare that
String.
txt1 colon string is equal to empty. Okay.
txt1 sir, txt view.
No, in the parenthesis x colon string.
Here I have given
In fun
number.
register, x colon string. Yeah.
Should be string we have to use because we are passing string. Now here Alex. When I click on this, what the result? Alex. 200 we are getting the out. Okay. This is undefined because I did not check the checkbox, right? That's the reason. We check Alex 200. This is the concept. Yeah. Any other questions? So
No.
this is about data. All these are two-way data binding. There's control values also. I'm taking inside. Yes. So calculator program we discussed yesterday.
No sir.
Do one program practice at home. Okay. Now here the requirement is like this. So this is first test box and this is second test box and this is the third test box and this is sum and subtraction. Okay. Yes. So this is add button and this is subtraction button. If we enter 100 in this text box and 50 in this text box, click on this add display 150. If I click on subtraction display, you got my point?
Yes sir.
Yeah. So that's the requirement. So try to implement this concept. And one more concept is there. This is one text box, another text box, button, text swap. When I click on this button, so this text box value should come into this second text box. Okay, like this. And this text box value should go to the first text box. They clear? That is the concept. Yes. Try to implement these two concepts for next class. Okay. Next class will discuss the another concept. Okay. Yes. Any other doubts?
No doubt, sir.
Now you can draw. Thank you.